manage your whole department's tasks. My suggestion is you may have a share folder. All the team members can access that share folder from their ESPC, and there will be the file. Everybody will have the access and they will update their status, their tasks in that list. So how you can manage, here is a tutorial. I am going to that folder. So see, this is my to-do list folder, and you can see there is a list from January, February, March. More or less 80% works are repeat works, that is you have done in January and you will have to do in February, March and next month. Copying the October sheet and making it November, name of the organization, department. So this is the description of work under which all the works will be shown, and this is the priority, that means top priority, low priority, medium priority, and this is the target date, that means which work will be done in which date, like 1st November, 4 November, 5 November. This is the person in charge, that means who is responsible for that particular work. James Eagle, Mahmoud and Tarindu Dhananjay. These three members in the HR team, just assume that, and here is a status, ongoing or pending or done. So I suggest to maintain the processes serial wise. It will help you to remember all the works. Like assume that you will have requisition for manpower, reviewing or approval, job advertisement. Just for example, if you have recruitment in this month, so you need to have the requisition for manpower, its approval, job reference, background check, and so what is the top priority? Just for example, James will do this, Tarin will do this. It's very urgent today, you need to work on this. So to start, his clearance is important, but it's not top important. Say salary preparation. So salary preparation usually you will have to do in the last of the months to pay the salary of this month in this November, and disbursement maybe another uh, 2, 3, 4 days later. So in this way you can update all the information state. The interesting work is sorting the data. So we are going data sorting. Okay, what is comes for this status, that means this job is done or ongoing. So status is fast, and then the target date. Okay, and then who will do, that is person in charge, and then priority. Okay, and if you click OK, now see the result. So as low is on the top, so we can reorganize it by priority Z to A. Now top. See, so assume that today is 1st November. James Eagle and Tharindu need to do. So just for example, James Eagle is working today. His requisition format for is done. So he will write here done. Okay. Left him for email, also done. The day is over. End of the day, go sort. Just see these works are done. For any reason, these two jobs are remaining pending tomorrow, so you can write it to two. So as a team leader, you are monitoring who is doing what, and you can easily see the guy James Eagle has done number of works today. The guy Tarindu Dhananjaya has did only one work today. Mahmood has did only one work today. So this way you can manage for whole the month. And if you need any reports or types of works your department are, you can have the report in any period from this month 2018, see 2018, 2017. So thank you all.